This video is going to show you how you can figure out the size of your background. Now, just to show you a sample, this is the background and I am showing you the letters, and this is how they're going to fit. There's going to be a 1/2 of an inch on either side, there'll be a 1/2 of an inch on the top and the bottom, and then there'll be a 1/2 of an inch in between each of the letters. So depending on the length of your name or word, that's going to dictate the height of your background. Everybody's width is going to be the same, and that's going to be the 4 inches plus a 1/2 of an inch and a 1/2 of an inch, so it's going to be 5 inches. Everybody's background is going to be 5 inches, but the length is going to be different. I put in Google Docs a formula that can help you figure this out. You're going to start off with the number of letters. So in my demonstration, I have 6 letters. Now for B, it would be the answer of A, which is 6 in my case, times 5. This number represents the letters, the space that the letters take up without accounting for any of the spaces in between. So each of them are 5 inches tall, and there's 6 of them, so if they were put on the background without any spaces in between, it would take up 30 inches. Now we're going to take the answer of A plus 1. This number represents the number of spaces in between. It's always going to be the number of letters plus 1. Now I'm going to take this answer that I just got and divide it by 2. This represents the number of inches in between each of the letters, because we're not going to be needing 7 inches of space. We're going to be needing half of that, because the spaces are a 1/2 of an inch. So this represents the inches of the space in between. This number represents the number of letters, or the space you need for the letters. So the answer to B, and the answer to D is going to be the length you need. So we take 30 plus 3.5. The answer is 33.5. And the answer E is the height of your background. The width of your background is always 5. Now to apply it, you go to File, New in Photoshop, and the width, no matter what, is going to be 5. Make sure it's set to inches. The height is the measurement that you came up with, and the resolution is going to be 300. Background content's white, and then you go to Create. So this is going to be your background. The next video is going to show you how to put the pictures or put the letters into this background.